Hello and welcome back to Android tutorials, and in this video I am going to tell you 7 best dependencies that you can use in your design to make your application at next level. So let's begin with first dependency, but before that I would like you to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to miss any of this video and like and share this Android tutorial. Okay, now let's move to the first dependency. And this all dependency is from Ramosan, and in that I had selected a Java language. So we are going to design this in Java language only. So all these 7 categories are in of Java language. Now the first dependency is a card slider. So basically you can see that this type of animation we will able to see in this type of layout. So to add this dependency you have to just copy this and implement in your project, then move to upside, and here you will find card slider simple example. So in that you will find source and then main. In main you have to move to Java. Here you will show the cards adapter, slider adapter and slider card adapter. So all this code you have to copy and paste if you want, else you can just write this all this activity and start implementing all that projects. So you will find all the solution from this card slider. So you can also add this dependency in your application when you are using card view. Then second dependency we have is paper onboarding. So this is the onboarding screen if you want to implement in your project. Means this is a kind of welcome screen when user come to our application, and this give the small introduction about our application. So you can also use this paper onboarding screen, and I had already told you to implement this in our previous video, so you can check out our previous video in paper onboarding screen in by Android tutorials. Okay, so to implement this, this can be implemented by two ways. First is by simple and second is by fragment. So here I am going to open simple example and then follow the same process for source, then in main, and in simple we have to write this code, these lines of codes in our project. So you can check out this all codes. So you will get the knowledge about this paper onboarding screen. This is a second dependency that you can use. Now moving to third. So third is a folding cell by Ramosan. So this is the type of card view which open with some animation. So you can also implement this project to make your project awesome. So for that I am going to open this folding cell simple example, and here in source code, main and simple you will find the source code for that. So here is that source code. So you can check out this simple item is there to implement. So this is the folding cell. Next dependency is garland. So you can check out this kind of animation in your application. So for that you can also implement this garland view dependency. So the simple example is given over here also. So you can check out their source code by just typing this following this method. So you can see that garland app file, and you can see all that stuff and implementation of garland view in Android. Then we have expanding collection. So you can also check out this dependency, as you can see their previews. Next is a direct select. So when you are using drop down, then you can also use this library to auto select by user, so it will make some animation and is to use. So you can also use this. And then we have a circle menu. So you can see that once a user click on one menu, they will show up four menu and then circle. So this is also a awesome menu for your project. Okay, if you like this Android tutorial, then please make sure you like and share this Android tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and watch our wallpaper app series with free source code. So thanks for watching Android tutorials. Subscribe our channel.